In this video, I'll show you how to change language in Airbnb. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can change language of your Airbnb application. So go ahead and click on this globe icon at the top right of your screen. From here, go ahead and select your language and region. So simply select the region where you belong to, and the corresponding language for that region would be used for your Airbnb account. So this page will reload for you. The Airbnb application or website will display their listings and the UI of their application into the language of your preference based on your region. And that is how you can simply change language in Airbnb. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel to never miss out with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.